Thinking of a metal mantle for your fireplace? You're making a fantastic choice. Metal is versatile, durable, and comes in an incredible range of colors and finishes to match any style. Let's explore your options and how to customize the perfect metal mantle. First, let's talk colors and finishes. Metal has something for everyone. Natural tones like silver from stainless steel or aluminum, gold or brass for a touch of luxury, and bronze for a warm, timeless feel. Copper offers a vibrant reddish-orange hue. For a modern or industrial look, go with blackened metal or raw steel finishes, but it doesn't stop there. Metal can also be painted or powder-coated in almost any color. White for a clean, minimalist style. Black for a sleek, dramatic vibe. Then there's metallic finishes. Polished chrome for high shine and a contemporary edge. Brushed metal like silver, bronze, or gold for a matte texture with subtle sophistication. Looking for something bold? Anodized metals come in vibrant shades like purple or even teal for a one-of-a-kind look. Don't forget about textures. Add depth with hammered finishes for a rustic feel. Now let's design your mantle. Metal can be laser cut for intricate patterns, shaped for sleek modern lines, or crafted with rivets and welds for an industrial touch. Its strength allows for thinner, sleeker designs that still hold up over time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY home transformation tips, and I'll see you in the next video.